Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Prius backlight. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your Prius is completely turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. Then, open the trunk to gain access to the tail light assembly, which is usually secured by a few screws. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the bulb. Locate the 2 or 3 retaining screws on the tail light assembly and carefully unscrew them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle, to release it from its clips. Be careful not to force it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing down on its release tab and pulling it apart. With the assembly free, you can now replace the faulty bulb. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the tail light housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out of its socket. It might be a bit snug. Take your new bulb and firmly insert it into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands to prevent oil transfer. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click. Carefully push the tail light assembly back into its position, aligning the clips and screw holes. Reinsert and tighten the 2 or 3 retaining screws to secure the assembly. Finally, test your new backlight to ensure it's working correctly before closing the trunk. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.